There are 5 useful extensions for the Visual Studio, and today we will check them out. First one, ReSharper. ReSharper is a productivity programming tool made by JetBrains. It's especially good for the big projects, the projects where changing one line of code or one name of variable is a disaster. Like imagine you have a big project with 50,000 lines of code. Changing one line of code can ruin everything. So ReSharper can help you. It can suggest better coding. It can guide you if your code can be better. It can run and detect bugs before you even run your project. Like that little red line under the wrong code. It can easily rename the variable safely, as I said. For example, if you change the name of a variable in your container class, it will automatically change the name of the same variable in the repository, service, and etc. and other places. It can extract methods. Like imagine you want to separate one part of code in a method and move it to another function and just call it there. Or make a separate function for that and just call the function in that place. It can easily generate constructors from the inherited interface. All you need to do is write ctor and press the tab. It's very easy. And it can realize duplicate codes and remove them if you want. You can navigate easily between files of your project. You can consider ReSharper like experienced programmer helping you and reviewing your codes. And ReSharper does it live, by the way, and it can boost your performance and your speed. As I did a little research about it, it can boost your speed up to 50%. People who use ReSharper are usually experienced C# developers, or people who are working on big projects and big teams, or enterprise software. And the downside of the ReSharper, well, it's a little expensive. As an individual, you should pay $149 per year. And it's for the first year. For the second year, it's a little cheaper. You pay $119. And for third years and more, you pay $89, which is better, And the price for organization is $389 per year. ReSharper consumes resources, so if you install it, you might find out that your computer is slower now. But if you can afford that subscription, I assume that you have a good system, so take a shot. And I personally use ReSharper, and it was useful, to be honest. Second one, Maid Code, which I believe is developed and created by a weeb, like me. As is clear from the name, Maid, it cleans, but not your house, it cleans your code. Your dirty code. If in your code methods are not organized or there are extra spaces in your code, random blank and empty lines and poor formatting, Maid Code can clean it for you. And all it takes is just one click, because as you might know, Maid Code is free. It will remove your unused using and organize your methods. It will format the documents. It doesn't let you to scratch everything together. It will clean it, and also it will clean the white space. And she can sort your code, so she's a good maid, and she's free. Who hates a free maid? Right? She doesn't make your code smarter or code it better, she just cleans your code. So almost everyone can use Maid Code, especially the beginners. Third one, productivity power tools. Kinda long name. So when Microsoft built Visual Studio, it was great and is still great, but some small tasks, opening codes, finding codes, managing tabs, scrolling, searching, and etc., they are a little annoying. So Microsoft decided to build that extension, and it's a collection from productivity improvements. Depending on the version that you get and features that it has, it will enhance navigation, document management, editor behavior, like you open the curly braces and it will close it automatically, UI improvement, and basically everything that you need to experience a better environment for coding. Well, you might ask, who will use this extension? Well, anyone who spends hours inside this Visual Studio. Fourth one, rainbow braces. Well, we are past Pride Month, but I should explain this one. It's an interesting tool. It will show each pair of braces with a different color. For example, first pair is blue, second pair is yellow, third pair is red, and etc. It's a good tool when your project is getting bigger and bigger and you will have more nested blocks. Something like this, or much worse. Developing will be hard and it will be easy to lose the brace. You can close the wrong brace or confuse the end of if or for each. And you should spend extra time on coding, but with a little change of colors, human brains can detect them very easily, and it will save you some time. It's especially very good for big if and else nested statements, loops and try catch finally blocks. And it's very good for large classes and large methods. Fifth one, file icons. You can open controllers, models, services, JSON file, SQL file, and they all look all the same. And by the same I mean their icons, their colors, especially on the tab. But file icons extension will customize them, and it will make it more easy for human's brain to detect it, especially if your head is a little fuzzy from hours and hours coding inside the Visual Studio. So yeah, it's a useful extension, you might use it. So it was the 5 useful extensions in Visual Studio that I promised to you, but you might as well check the 10 useful programming tools in this video. It can give you a good knowledge about generally programming tools, so don't forget to check it out. And by the way, I have a Discord server which is a good community for programmers. You can check it through the link below in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was useful for you and you learned something new. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.